There's a lot of buzz and some panic about whether ChatGPT will replace translators. It's a powerful tool, generating text in dozens of languages in seconds, so the concern is real. But the real question isn't about replacement. It's about evolution. Instead of resisting, let's explore how translators can use ChatGPT to become faster, better, and more valuable. Every tech leap feels threatening at first, but it's also an opportunity. Today, I'll show you 3 ways to leverage ChatGPT to your advantage. Let's dive right in. First up, saving time. Time, as they say, is money, and in the translation business, that couldn't be truer. Every minute counts, and optimizing your workflow can significantly impact your earnings and overall job satisfaction. Translators often spend countless hours crafting the initial draft, meticulously working through each sentence. This process can be incredibly time-consuming, especially when dealing with large volumes of text. This is especially true when dealing with repetitive content, such as technical manuals, legal documents, or any material that contains similar phrases and structures throughout. These types of texts can feel like a slog, draining your energy and focus. But what if you could drastically reduce that initial drafting time? With ChatGPT, you can generate a solid, usable rough draft in mere minutes instead of spending hours laboring over it. Imagine the possibilities. Now, it's important to remember that this AI-generated draft isn't intended to be your final polished product. It's simply your starting point, a foundation upon which you'll build your expertise. With the initial draft handled, your role shifts from being a transcriber, someone who painstakingly recreates the text, to that of a skilled editor and quality controller, ensuring the final translation is accurate, culturally appropriate, and meets the client's specific needs. You can now focus your attention on the finer details, the nuance of language, accuracy in terminology, and crafting the perfect tone, the elements that truly showcase your expertise and for which clients are willing to pay a premium. Think of ChatGPT as your invaluable assistant, a tool that lightens your workload, handling the more tedious grunt work so you can concentrate on the creative, high-value parts of the translation process that require your unique skills and insights. This ultimately leads to less burnout, as you're not bogged down in repetitive tasks, and more energy to dedicate to challenging and stimulating projects that truly engage your passion for language. With increased efficiency, you can confidently take on more work, expanding your client base and project portfolio, scale up your business operations, and ultimately boost your income, achieving greater financial success and professional fulfillment. Remember, this powerful tool isn't designed to replace you. It's here to augment your abilities and make you significantly more efficient in your work. Embrace ChatGPT as your productivity booster, a valuable ally that empowers you to excel, rather than viewing it as a competitor threatening your livelihood. Work smarter, not harder, leveraging technology to optimize your workflow and achieve greater results with less effort. That's not just an improvement, that's a game changer for your translation career. The world of language is constantly evolving, and with it, the demands placed on language professionals. Here's the next big shift we're seeing unfold in real time: the rise of the proofreader. But not just any proofreader. We're talking about a new breed of language expert, one who's adept at working alongside artificial intelligence. As companies use AI for bulk translation to quickly and efficiently reach global audiences, the demand for skilled editors and proofreaders is exploding. Businesses are realizing that while AI can handle volume, it can't replace the human touch. AI can churn out thousands of words in a matter of seconds, but the results are often clunky, lacking the finesse and nuance that human communication requires. They can be error-prone and tone-deaf, missing crucial cultural context and potentially damaging a brand's reputation. That's where you come in, the human element that elevates AI-generated content. Your role is polishing AI drafts into professional, publishable content, ensuring accuracy, clarity, and cultural appropriateness. This role, called Post-Editing Machine Translation, PEMT, is rapidly becoming a critical function in the language industry. It's a hybrid of translator, leveraging your language skills to refine the AI's output, editor, meticulously correcting errors and improving readability, and consultant, advising on the best approach to achieve the desired communication goals. You ensure cultural nuance is preserved, preventing misinterpretations, and fostering genuine connections with the target audience. You also make sure brand voice and context are spot on, maintaining consistency and reinforcing the brand's identity across all communications. Companies save on bulk translation by using AI as a first pass and invest in your expertise for quality assurance, knowing that your skills are essential to delivering polished professional results. You become a trusted advisor, not just a vendor, building long-term relationships and contributing to the client's overall success. Update your skills by learning about the latest AI tools and techniques, and market yourself as a PEMT specialist, highlighting your unique ability to bridge the gap between AI and human communication. The sweet spot is AI-generated text refined by a human expert. You, ensuring that the final product is both efficient and effective. This is a new, growing avenue for translators, offering exciting opportunities for career advancement and professional fulfillment. Don't fear AI. Embrace it as a powerful tool that can enhance your capabilities and expand your reach. Make yourself essential to its success by becoming the go-to expert for refining and perfecting AI-generated content. That's your edge in the evolving landscape of the language industry. Now, let's talk about your ultimate explore different perspectives. Use it for definitions or quick explanations to get a basic understanding of a concept or term. But when it comes to understanding why your expertise for the critical thinking and strategic decisions that require human understanding and cultural sensitivity. This is your job security, the ability to provide value that AI work together to create truly meaningful communication. To sum up, here's how to thrive in the AI era. Use ChatGPT to save time, embrace the proofreader role, and focus on deep context. Technology always brings change, but it also brings opportunity. Translators who adapt and use AI as a tool will be more efficient and in demand. The heart of translation is still human: connection, empathy, and understanding. ChatGPT can handle words, but only you can deliver meaning. The future is bright for translators who evolve. Thanks for watching.